Welcome to Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. Hey everyone, today we're talking about something super important. Today we are exploring how to find your notice ID and confirmation code for the Cash App Security Settlement 2024. If you're eligible for the settlement but haven't received these codes yet, don't worry, I'll guide you through the easy steps to get them so you can file your claim hassle-free. So here's how you can find your notice ID and confirmation code for the Cash App Security Settlement. First, open the official Cash App Settlement website, link in the description. Once you're on the home page, look for a button that says Look Up Notice ID and click on that. Step 2. Enter your Cash App details. Next, the site will ask for your Cash App information. You'll need to put in your cash tag, email address, and phone number associated with your Cash App account. Make sure all the info is correct and then click Submit. Step 3. Retrieve your notice ID and confirmation code. Once you hit Submit, one of two things will happen. Either your notice ID and confirmation code will show up right there on the screen, or you'll get an email with the details. Step 4. If you don't get your codes. Now, if the system doesn't generate your notice ID and confirmation code, don't panic. Just reach out to the settlement administrator via email. Send them your account info and explain that you haven't received your codes. They should get back to you in about 24 hours with help. Apart from this, you'll find a complete video in the description that explains how to fill out the form without these codes. Also, in the description, we've included information about Cash App settlement eligibility, like who's eligible, how much you can receive, and when the payouts will happen. Be sure to check it out. Now you know how to find your notice ID and confirmation code for the Cash App Security Settlement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Cash App Advisor for more tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest updates. Thanks for watching and good luck with your settlement claim.